Ford Ranger was not just a small pickup truck. It became a symbol of American work culture throughout the 1980s and early 1990s because it was tough, dependable, affordable, and built to handle real jobs without unnecessary luxury. Before it, the Ford Courier served as Ford's compact truck, developed in partnership with Mazda. But in 1983, Ford introduced the Ranger as a fully American-designed compact pickup that marked a new chapter in the company's truck history. With engine options like the 12.3-liter four-cylinder and the 2.9-liter V6, this truck became the go-to choice for farmers, contractors, small business owners, and everyday drivers who needed a vehicle that balanced power, fuel efficiency, and durability in one reliable package. Today on World of Classic Cars, we are bringing back a 30-year-old Ranger that has been sitting untouched for years. And the big question is simple. Will it run again, or is it too far gone to save? During any rescue attempt, we begin by checking the fuel system, spark and compression, because many old trucks fail to start due to stale fuel, weak batteries, or clogged lines rather than serious engine damage. Trucks from this era were built with straightforward mechanical systems and minimal electronics, which means if the engine turns over and the frame is still solid, there is a very real chance this forgotten Ranger can roar back to life once again. In 2011, Ford Motor Company discontinued the Ranger in the United States because larger trucks were generating higher profits, and compact pickups temporarily lost their spotlight in the American market. However, in 2019, the Ranger made a powerful comeback with a modern turbocharged engine, updated technology, and a more aggressive design that appealed to a new generation of truck buyers. Later, the high-performance Ford Ranger Raptor was introduced as an off-road beast. But the truth remains that the 1983-1992 Ranger was the original workhorse that built its legacy through simplicity, strength, and reliability, and that is exactly the spirit we celebrate here on World of Classic Cars. Now the real question remains, will this forgotten classic fire up and return to the road, or will it remain a silent reminder of America's compact truck golden era? Stay tuned, because the rescue is just getting started.